Hello, this is Google Local Guide, Lori Kendall, or Crazy Chick 2, and I'm here today. Oh God, Mike, what's it called? The Dream Donut Box for Mother's Day, is that right, from Tim Hortons? And it's from Devon, Alberta, and this is a classic unboxing. I have never done an unboxing. There's a lot of labor involved in the Dream Donut, so they're letting you take home fresh, plain donuts, and what's in here? Okay, hold on. It's chocolate sprinkles. Oh, they're so cute. They look like really expensive chocolate. Buttercream icing. Pink, purple, yellow sprinkles. Very festive. And chocolate buttercream. There's 2 butter knives. Okay, the coffee is for holding the bag down in the wind. And here we go. Now, they asked me to do this because I'm the most skilled and most wonderful hairdresser who's unemployed. And look at this, there's so much labor involved. And what do we want? We want to do half of each, maybe. Okay. And I do it very delicately and with a lot of skill. So I'm known for that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, it's beautiful. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Happy Mother's Day to everybody in Canada from Tim Hortons. Happy Mother's Day. Arr!